Hey, today we're making the ultimate slow cooker white chicken chili. Creamy, cozy, comforting, and perfect for those days when you want something warm without lifting a finger. Let's get right into it. First, we build the flavor base. Add 1 diced onion straight into your slow cooker, followed by 6 cloves of minced garlic. Yes, 6, don't be shy. Then toss in your jalapeno, 2 cans of green chilies, 2 cans of white beans, and a cup of corn. This is the foundation of your white chicken chili, and it already smells like a good decision. Now season everything like you mean it. Hit it with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of cumin, smoked paprika, oregano, coriander, and a little cayenne. We're layering flavor from the bottom up so every scoop tastes like you tried harder than you actually did. Next, add your chicken thighs right on top. No browning, no searing. We're not doing extra credit today. Thighs break down beautifully in the slow cooker and shred like butter. Once they're in, pour in 3 cups of chicken broth. That's it, your prep work is done. Let it cook on low for 6 to 7 hours or on high for 3 to 4. Walk away, go live your life. The slow cooker is officially the adult in the room now. When it's ready, pull the chicken out, shred it and drop it right back in. Now comes the creamy moment. Add 4 ounces of cream cheese and half to 1 cup of heavy cream. Give it a few minutes to melt and swirl in. The whole pot turns silky, glossy, and ridiculously good. Finish with the juice of 1 lime and fresh cilantro to wake everything up. Taste it and adjust it. You're in charge. Want it thicker? Mash a few beans. Want more heat? Add jalapeno. Want it richer? Baby, add more cream. This chili bends to your will. Serve it with shredded Monterey Jack, cilantro, lime wedges, crunchy tortilla chips, whatever makes you happy. This is comfort food with no rules. Mini soul snack. Life gets a lot easier when you stop forcing everything and let things soften on their own, just like this chili. Good things happen when you let them simmer. For the full written recipe, visit kelvinskitchen.com and don't forget to subscribe for more comfort food magic.